My channel Easy Science by Dr. Alka Mani. In this video, we will learn how to draw electron dot structures of different molecules. तो मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में भी कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स के स्ट्रक्चर्स ड्रॉ करके आपको बताए हैं, तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाकर वीडियो 1 आप इसका पार्ट देख सकते हैं। और चलिए आगे स्टार्ट करते हैं बच्चों। नेक्स्ट है स्ट्रक्चर इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ H2O। H2O इसमें हमारे पास 2 एलिमेंट्स हैं। एलिमेंट H, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 1 and its valency is also 1, and the number of electrons present in the outermost shell is also 1, but hydrogen are 2 in number, so we are taking 2 hydrogen with 1 electrons. And next is oxygen. Oxygen इसका एटॉमिक नंबर है बच्चों 8 and its electronic configuration is 2 and 6. So 6 are the electrons present in the outermost shell. How we will draw this structure? Hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. Now sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons we will draw H2O. This is 1 electron hydrogen having, and this is 1 electron hydrogen having, and there are 6 electrons of oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see oxygen having 6 electrons and hydrogen having 1 electron. And now hydrogen has 2 electrons and this hydrogen also has 2 electrons, and oxygen has 8 electrons. In this way you can also draw this electron dot structure. And now we see hydrogen, because there is sharing of single electron on both sides, so there is single bond between hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the structural formula, and this is electron dot structure of water molecule. Next one is, students, CH4. CH4. CH4, what is this? Methane. First member of alkane, and it is the simplest hydrocarbon. Now there are 2 atoms, 2 elements, carbon and hydrogen. Carbon, its atomic number is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2 and 4, and these are the valence electrons present in the outermost shell, which will take part in electron dot structure. Next one is hydrogen. Hydrogen are 4 in number, and each hydrogen has 1 electron in its outermost shell. So when we draw the structure, carbon and its 4 electrons in the outermost shell, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now hydrogen. Each hydrogen having 1 electron. And now each hydrogen having 2 electrons in its outermost shell, and its outermost shell is completed. And in case of carbon, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the 8 electrons in the outermost shell of carbon. And so you can see there is bonding of one electron from both sides. So we will draw single bond. Carbon, hydrogen, and there is single bonding between carbon and hydrogen. This is its electron dot structure, and this is the structural formula of methane CH4. Now next one is sulfur. Very important from this chapter according to examination point of view. So sulfur has 16 atomic number and its configuration is 2, 8 and 6. What is electronic configuration? The number of electrons present in the different shells of the atom are called its electronic configuration. As you know, the first shell is K shell. First is K, second is L, next is M. These are the shells, and maximum number in K shell there are 2 electrons, and maximum number of electrons in the L shell it is 8 electrons, and in M shell there are 6 electrons, and these 6 electrons will take part in the electron dot structure. So sulfur is always, you can find S8. S8. Sulfur is octahedral in shape, and the 8 atoms of sulfur are present. And we will draw the structures of S8 molecule. As I told you, the octahedral shape, so octahedral, you will draw octahedral shape first. Because screen is slippery, so my writing is little bit hazy, but actually my writing is not so bad. Now there is the sulfur. This is the octahedral shape of S8 molecules, and these are the bonds. Now I will draw electron dot structure. As the sulfur has 6 electrons in the outermost shell, we will draw the same shape here. You have to take 8 atoms of sulfur, and each having 6 electrons. These 2 electrons are in pairs. These 2 are in pairs, and one electron it will share with the other sulfur atom, like this. And this sulfur also has 6 electrons. 2 are pairs and one in the share between the 2 sulfur atoms. So you also draw with me, then it will be quite easy for you. each sulfur must have 6 electrons. So count every time when you put the dots of electron, you must count that these are not more than 6 or less than 6. So I have completed these 6 electrons. Now we will complete this like this. 2, 4, 6 and 8. Each sulfur will complete 8 electrons in the outermost shell. 2, 4, 6, 8. Every time you make the circle, you count the electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the electron dot structure, and in one more way, this is the front view. Now we will draw this structure from the top view. It looks like a crown, and we will draw this again. For your easiness, I tell you it looks like crown shape or W shape, like this. Like this. Now sulfur, sulfur, sulfur. These are the 8 sulfur atoms. And as I told you, when there is a single bond, there is sharing of 2 electrons. It means each sulfur has shared 1 electron with other sulfur. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इन्होंने दूसरे सल्फर के साथ शेयर कर लिया, तो बाकी इनके पास कितने रह गए? 4. तो जो 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो हम पेयर्स में लगा देंगे. देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. और बाकी जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं वो एक इस सल्फर के साथ और एक इस सल्फर के साथ इन्होंने शेयर किया है. इस तरह से आपको ये डॉट्स जो हैं वो अच्छे से लगानी है, विजिबल होनी चाहिए ये डॉट्स जो है. तो आप देख रहे हैं ये क्राउन शेप में लग रहा है या फिर ये आपको W के जैसा भी लग रहा है. आप इसे लर्न करने के लिए कि आपको याद रहे इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे ड्रॉ करना है, W के जैसा या फिर क्राउन के जैसा. तो इसका जो टॉप व्यू है वो ऐसा दिखाई देगा. एंड दिस इज द फ्लैट एंड फ्रंट व्यू. S8 मॉलिक्यूल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. तो आप जो है इसे अच्छे से लर्न करेंगे, समझेंगे और इस वीडियो को साथ साथ आप देखेंगे और इसके साथ साथ ही आप ड्रॉ करेंगे.